morning, CMS. Today is Thursday, November 5th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, everyone, today's menu for Thursday. Choice A, French toast with sausage, hash brown, hot cinnamon apples, carrot sticks, mixed fruit, or fresh fruit. Choice B, cheesy bread with marinara. Friday's menu, mandarin orange chicken, vegetable lo mein, steamed broccoli, celery sticks, fortune cookie, fresh fruit. Choice B, meat lovers pizza. Breakfast, cinnamon roll with milk. That was for Friday's menu. Now, CMS is holding a virtual book fair that starts today. You can find the link on the CMS web announcements or Mr. Madigan's blog. All right. Now, here is an update on the canned food drive. We are currently at 876 total items donated. This is amazing. Our top 3 homerooms are 526 items from room 112, 61 items from room 217, and 45 items in room 306. All right, now enjoy this video from the Lodi Community Center. All right, moving on. Congratulations to our 8th grade student of the month.
Go.
Lollipop.
Lollipop.
Ooh, lollipop.
Right, we would like to nominate Haley from Trailer 5.
Wait, always participating.
Always being very good about getting your work on time and made up.
And being a great classmate.
Yep, she's awesome. Way to go,
Nice
Haley.
job, Haley. 2, 3.
Olé!
Olé.
Olé.
We want to wish congratulations to Addie G
From Trailer 3.
as our student of the month for
Team Fiesta.
Thanks, Addie, for always being prepared and always participating in class. We appreciate you.
Keep up the hard work.
We do.
Congratulations.
Congratulations! All right, now for the 7th grade student of the month, we have Brody Adams. Congratulations, Brody, on all your hard work you do in my Essentials class. You've done a fantastic job of putting together some wonderful artwork. On top of that, you're very attentive and creative. All right, congratulations. All right, next up we have the 8th grade student of the month for Essentials, and that goes to
Joseph Daling. Congratulations, Joseph. You are always respectful, responsible, and safe in foreign language class. You are the first to say something when I come into the room, which I really appreciate. Thank you for acknowledging me when I'm talking to you, and you're just always engaged and participating. Thank you.
Done. We move on to National French Week fact number 2. Did you know that France has over 350 types of cheeses? It's pretty impressive. All right. The 6th grade shout out goes to Carson on the white team. The White Tiger team is a hardworking student that always has a smile on his face. Thanks for making CMS a wonderful place. Now, for the 7th grade shout out, this goes to Aiden on the Green Arrows team because he listens closely to directions and will always help his peers. Congratulations, Aiden. Now, the 8th grade shout out goes to Joseph from Team Fiesta. Thanks for always being respectful, responsible, hardworking, and kind. We are so happy to have you. Shout out goes to Mrs. Chapman for always helping me, and this is not me as in me, all right, but for always helping me and also engaging in class discussions from Team Fiesta. Okay, so it's from someone from Team Fiesta. It wasn't actually me, okay. Anyways, shout out goes to Mrs. Chapman, and thank you for always helping out Team Fiesta. All right, now, November 6th, end of the quarter. November 9th, second quarter begins. November 11th, picture retake day. And then, of course, November 25th to 27th is Thanksgiving break. Now, the quote of the day: you don't want to look back and know you could have done better. Now, we move on to, of course, the last and final slide we have today. Show your Colt pride, be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. All right, with that being said, have a wonderful Thursday. Be blessed, Cloverleaf.
In every subject area. In addition, Russell blew us all away and composed a magnificent piano arrangement to commemorate 9/11. Congrats, Russell.